In today's video, I will walk you through how to animate stick figure in Canva for free. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. After the blank canvas opens, the first thing we want to do is choose a background for the design. Go to the Elements tab on the left side of the screen. This section contains different graphics, shapes, and visual assets you can use in your project. Browse through the available options and drag a background onto the canvas that matches the style you want for your animation. Once your background is in place, go back to the Elements tab again and type stick figure into the search bar. When the results appear, switch to the Graphics section so you can view illustrated stickman designs. Scroll through the options and pick the stick figure graphic you want to animate. After you find one you like, drag it onto the canvas. Next, position the stick figure in the middle of the page. Adjust the size and placement carefully so it looks centered inside the design. When everything looks good, download this page as a PNG image. After downloading the image, remove the original stickman design from the canvas. Then upload the PNG image you saved back into Canva. Once the upload finishes, place the new image onto the canvas. Now click on Edit. Then choose the Image to Video Custom option. This is the feature inside Canva that allows you to generate an animated version of the image using a text prompt. Enter a prompt describing how you want the stick figure to move, then click Generate. At this point, Canva will begin creating the animation, so give it a moment to process the request. The generation time may vary depending on the effect being created. Once the animated result is ready, click Add Video to Design. The animated stickman video will now appear directly on your canvas. Resize the video so it fills the entire page. Take your time adjusting the size until the whole canvas is properly covered. After that, preview the animation to check the final result. You should now see the animated stick figure playing directly inside your Canva project. And that is how to animate a stick figure in Canva for free.